What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day as always. Today we're talking about Workhorse Stock and what to do if you own this stock, and is it a good buy-in point right now? Stay tuned. The Nasdaq Workhorse plummeted a further 8.9% as global markets sell off. Workhorse Group sets quarterly earnings report for November 9th. Now we can see Workhorse has officially hit its correction, down 35% over the past month. But it is to be expected after the USPS contract. We saw that Workhorse was going to take a fast dip, but nobody expected it to go down this much. When I say nobody expected it, I'm meaning the other people that make YouTube videos kind of like mine. We're all kind of surprised about this. So Workhorse has had a whirlwind of a year as the stock has garnered investors at nearly 570%. Workhorse is going to announce its quarterly earnings November 9th, which is very, very important for the stock. One of the reasons in particular that I think Workhorse has plummeted so fast is due to the lack of news. We saw so much buildup going into the USPS contract that we saw shares just take off. Now, a lot of people jumped in at $28, $29 thinking it's going to skyrocket, and obviously it didn't after we got the news that Workhorse would not get the confirmation from USPS with the contract and that they would release it at the end of 2020. But I want to remind you guys, if we see a stock go up 570%, that obviously means that the stock is very, very attractive to investors. So I wouldn't put Workhorse out as a company. We still see their EV market as something that they're tapping into is so brand new. The electric vehicle sector is so brand new in itself, but their trucks are so unique to the EV market, which is why I want to say that it is not a bad decision. Workhorse is still not a bad stock. When people are saying free fall, this stock is done, that is just simply stupid. This stock. Sorry for the quick break, guys, but I just wanted to say, please subscribe. 98% of you guys aren't subscribed, and I really, really appreciate it if you smash that like button and that subscribe button so I can bring you more videos like this. All right, now, enough of this. Back to the video. Stock can still take off, and when the news comes back about the USPS contract coming out soon in the future, when it comes back and they say, this is the date it's coming back, we're going to see Workhorse take another sky rise. So I would be on the lookout on waiting if you are not already in this stock and holding if you are already in this stock. Because wait for the news. Buy the dip and sell the news. When that good news comes out and you see Workhorse flying, hold that stock. And maybe if you really don't think that they are going to get that USPS contract, which I personally think they will, then sell the news. That's what we see so many people doing with the Tesla stock. We saw so many people get into the stock before the split occurred. And then they sold right after the split because they sold the good news and they made a killing. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please subscribe. Let's get to 200 subscribers before the end of the month. We got 4 more days. Also, drop a like if you enjoyed this and found some value. Other than that, guys, that's it for me. Peace.